The TikTok Shop affiliate program has become the focus of everyone who wants to make money online. It is a feature on TikTok through which you can market various products in different niches, similar to Amazon. You can sell these products even without owning them, and I will show you how in this video. Despite this ease, not everyone succeeds. Why? Because most people think all you need to do is 1. Create an account on the TikTok Shop affiliate program. 2. Choose a product that looks great. 3. Create short content highlighting the product's features. 4. Get sales and receive commissions. But that's not everything. Since everyone will follow these exact steps, you need a good plan and strategy. Conduct research and analysis to identify the best, highest selling, most rated, most profitable products, the most successful niches, the best influencers. Understand the trends and extract the best successful videos to get ideas from, and much more. If you don't understand me, follow along. I will give you a treasure that will help you, saving you a lot of time and conducting the research and analysis for you. Let's start. We won't focus on the first step because it's easy. Just go to the TikTok Shop affiliate website and sign up as a creator, not a seller, because as a creator, you can earn through affiliate marketing by creating videos or live streams. The website will prompt you to provide some information to connect it with your TikTok account. This will allow the feature to appear directly within the TikTok app. The criteria for participating in this program are straightforward. You must have a minimum of 5,000 followers and be 18 years of age or older. And please note that this feature may not be available in all countries. When you register on TikTok Shop affiliate, the most crucial step is choosing the right product. Even if you create a great video, if the product is poor, you won't make any sales and will simply waste your time. However, if you have an average video but a good product with high demand, you can make sales in the first week with just a minimal number of views. For example, with around 4,000 views, you might make about 3 sales, which I've seen happen with new people on TikTok Shop. So I brought you the first treasure called Shopless. Personally, I really like it because it can analyze a lot of things. Shoplus is a tool designed to help businesses and content creators succeed on TikTok. It can help you to stay on top of TikTok trends. You can always know what's trending on TikTok in any country and at any time, whether it's products or content. It provides a list of trending hashtags to help your videos reach more people. Find top products. It shows you which products are selling well on TikTok, fast-growing products, newly added products, and the most searched products so you can choose the best items to sell. Discover viral videos. Shoplus helps you find popular videos and get ideas to create your own viral content. Additionally, Shoplus helps you understand how well TikTok influencers are performing, including breakout influencers, popular live streamers, and the best video creators. You can also see what your competitors do on TikTok, including their best-selling products and marketing strategies. For example, if we scroll down this page, we will find the Ranking Live section, where you can see what sales and profits these individuals have achieved during their live streams in just 1 hour. This person made 24 sales and earned over $700. As we scroll a bit further down, we find the top-selling products ranked within just 24 hours. Here, we also find the best shops based on the number of sales, as well as the ranking of influencers by the number of sales. On the opposite side, we find the best product videos, where you can study any video, extract ideas like the script or the hook, and rewrite it. All these are general details and statistics. If we want to specialize in a specific field and dive deeper, we can go to Insights and choose the country we want to target, such as USA, then set it to past 7 days. We will find that the beauty and personal care category is the top one in sales, followed by the women's wear category in second place, then the sports category, and after that the health category. Next to them, we find the growth rate, and on the opposite side, we see the subcategories listed in order. These statistics will greatly help you choose the right niche. Among the most important features that will help you choose the best-selling products in all fields, we click on Products and then Top Sales. You can filter by field, price, commission, and the desired period. Leaving everything as it is, we find the first product priced at $7.5, which is 15-day cleanse capsules, indicating that health products are in high demand. The commission is 20%, and the number of sales on 29 June alone is more than 7,000 sales, which is a very large number. However, as you notice in the sales trend, the curve is declining, but remember that these statistics are only for 1 day. The number of videos on this day is over 12K, and you can browse all the remaining products until you find the one that suits you best. We click on the first product to get the product details such as region, category, rating, and sales volume, which has reached 1.8 million. We also have relevant videos that we can watch one by one below, and we also have relevant live streams, as some people market products through live streams. There is a section dedicated to product videos which is designed to explore successful videos that generate a lot of sales. You can take ideas or rewrite the script in your own way using ChatGPT. Any video you click on will provide detailed information such as the number of views, sales, and profits generated from that video. You can also watch the video directly from within Shoplus. Here, we have the product search feature, which will show us the most searched products in the TikTok shop. If you want to search for a specific product, you can simply type its name here at the top, and all related products and companies will appear, such as water bottles. You will find several water bottles here, and you can choose the best one. You can also watch videos of people who have promoted these water bottles. We have a section dedicated to influencers, where we can spy on them, take their strategies, and learn what works and what doesn't for them. In the Creator Center section, we will find additional important things like viral videos and a very important feature called hashtags ranking. This will show us the best hashtags to use in the title of the video we will publish. The best thing about this site is that it offers a free trial for you to test it out. You can try Shopless for free to see how it works before deciding to pay for it. I will leave a link in the first comment to get a free trial. If you decide to subscribe to get stronger features, don't miss the opportunity to use the promo code MINADO at checkout to get a very good discount. The second step is to create short advertisement videos after choosing a product. I have brought you 2 methods to make these videos and post them on TikTok. The first method is to contact the product owner, request one, and when it arrives at your home, start filming the product, edit it a bit, and then post it on your page. This is considered the best possible method. Secondly, if you don't have the product on hand and can't request it, you can go to Creatify. This AI tool allows you to provide only the product page link, and it will create an advertisement video for you in minutes, with a character that speaks and looks professional. However, the product link must be from certain platforms, such as Amazon and Shopify. But this is not a problem. When you find a product you like on Shoplus, search for its name on Amazon, then copy the product page link and put it in Creatify. It will create the video for you, which you can then edit a bit and post on your account. Follow these steps that I have provided and be honest in your videos, especially in the health niche. Do not promise false things, and I believe you will succeed. This was Mr. Minato with you. Thank you.